In this video, we're going to look at the basic features of date fields. Recorded date here is a date field. From directly on the field, I can change the display name or title of the field. I can enter some tooltip text. I can make the field required. If I want access to other features, I click on the Properties icon, and the Properties tab on the right slides over. Again, I have access to the display name. I could also pick a default value. That means in this case 29th of March 2018 would be the start value for any record created. That value could then be deleted or changed, but the date of report field would start with that value. I can change the tooltip text or remove it entirely. I can change whether or not the field is required, and I can put in a custom message that will show when the required condition is triggered. Under validation, I can set minimum and maximum dates. The default is to use system relative dates, so that means when the record is created, it works out what the current date and time is and imposes validations based on that. I can say I want to allow dates that are 1 day, 7 days or 30 days before the current system date, and the maximum date can be 1 day, 7 days or 30 days past the current date. Or I can use non-relative dates, in which case I can say specifically no date before March the 13th, 2018 and no date beyond May the 17th, for example. Those are the basic features for date fields.